How to reset team on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to reset your team on Fantasy Premier League FPL, you need to follow the simple steps. For that, go ahead and open a web browser and go to fantasy.premierleague.com. Log into your account. And to reset your team, you will need to delete your current team and create a new one. So for that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on Fantasy, that is between Premier League and matches. Now tap on Pick Team option, that is between home and transfers. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down and go to the admin section. You will see two different options, that is team details and user profile. Tap on user profile. Once you're in this page, and there you will see the option of manage account, that is the last one. Tap on that. If you scroll down, you will see two different options of sign out and delete account. Tap on delete account, which is highlighted in red color. Confirm that you want to delete your account and tap on continue. Enter your password and confirm. And your account will be permanently deleted in 21 days. If you log in within that 21-day period, your account will be reactivated. So that's how you reset your team. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.